Look at baby Legend. I swear he be looking like Clarence. Aww. Hey. He gonna be a better rapper than his dad. Yo, Legend get the best rides. Car seat, arms, breasts, hip, lap, the best comfort.
I don't need a posse, I don't need a clique. And once again, I will take your bitch and I am with the shit, so watch your man. Yeah, they say they fuck with you, but they don't really fuck with you. They talking to the—
What's going on, J Squad, Plum Squad? This your girl Jay, you already know. I am back with a YouTube promo for you. Please help me not only support, but make sure you go subscribe to Romad's YouTube channel. Yes, I have done a YouTube promo before for them, and they are currently at 250 subscribers. Their link will be in my description box, also pinned in my comment section. So click it. You don't have to type, you don't gotta copy, you ain't gotta paste. Click. It's free to support one another, you guys. You never know you're gonna need support back. Romad's YouTube channel, they want me to let you know that it's never you. You are never too old to find love, and that love at first sight does happen. Love came out of nowhere for the both of them, and they just want to show how dreams came true. Facts. Alright, so let them know that VibZ sent you where there's a whole lot of great vibes going on, you guys. They do pranks, they do challenges, and they freaking lit. I wish you the best on your YouTube channel, and let's get into the video. What's going on, J Squad, Plum Squad? It's your girl Jay, you already know. Welcome back to VibZ, where there's a whole lot of great vibes going on. Big pair, you guys. I am reacting to Queen Naija's vlog. She said that her two sons took her on a date. That is so freaking sweet. There's no way that her sons took her on a date, literally. But it's so cute to even think that baby Legend, even baby boy CJ, will take their mommy on a date. So before we get into this video, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel, like this video, comment down below, share this video, make sure you're following me on my social media, you guys. I cannot wait to see you guys for the meet and greet and also the Royal Vibes Day party, which is all on Sunday. The meet and greet from 12 to 2 in Charlotte, and then also the day party is in Charlotte as well, you guys. Let's get into the video. Let's get it.
What's up, Roger Squad? It's your girl Queen Beauty once again, back with another video. It's early in the morning, you guys. It's like about 7:40.
It looks so good
I'm
outside.
sitting outside waiting on my ride. Actually, he was here already, but he left.
Damn.
Because like I do the VIP service, I can get to the airport faster. But Lee has his number and Lee is sleeping. So
damn.
Yeah, he left, and I'm trying to get him to come back. I don't want to be late to Houston. I'm going to Houston to go.
Oh my god, I want to visit Houston so bad. I want to visit Houston so bad. I done heard so many great things. I can't wait.
My son, before I leave back out for another show. Like I said, I was supposed to get him on the 3rd of June, but it moved down, so I just wanted to make sure I seen him before I left. So yeah, hopefully I make it. It is actually 8:01 now. My plane leaves at 9:31. Fortunately, we were standing outside and Claire seen the driver driving around outside of like
That's
our place,
luck.
and he went out there. And so now I'm in the car. Legend is
Aww. Look at baby Legend. I swear he be looking like Clarence. Face, expressions, and everything. Yo, his chilling face be that. Like, bruh, I'm chilling. Okay? Give me some privacy. Matter of fact, can I make my flight on time? That's how you looking at mommy. Mom, I got a flight to make. He is so freaking adorable.
Met him before we left, so he just chilling. Say hi, Mookie. Finally at the airport, y'all. We figured out all the information. We figured out the greatest information. Lee finally woke up, answered the phone. So you guys, finally getting on the plane. Hi, good morning.
Is the baby ears
He's
okay?
demanding his food.
Aww.
You ready to go see your big brother? I think he's tired.
Look at him. That is so beautiful. I ain't gonna lie. The only thing I miss about the airport is the views. The views on the ground, the views in the air, although I've only flew 4 times. That's including there and back. I love the window seat. I cannot wait to get back to traveling. Aww. I love this beat.
I'm about to go get my bag. Legend. I don't want to be on camera right now.
Houston look good.
So you guys, I'm about to pull into the hotel. I'm so excited to see my baby. I'm gonna get him back soon anyway, but still I just want to come see him. And so I want to plan out a whole day of just fun. So I'm gonna ask him
Yes,
where
mommy.
he wanna go when I see him. And then we're gonna go wherever you wanna go.
Yo, Queen is so freaking beautiful. It's contagious, okay?
If you wanna go to Chuck E. Cheese, we're going to Chuck E. Cheese.
Okay.
If you wanna go to Jumpy House,
We going.
to Jumpy House. We're gonna do whatever CJ wanna do. It's all about CJ today. I just wanna soak up all his time, and I just wanna,
That's so
let him
sweet.
know that mommy always.
The fact that she making time in between her shows, when she's not at shows, when she at shows, for her sons, I take off my hat to mommies like that. I cannot stand a mommy that makes excuses for not spending time with their child, especially at these ages. This is when it matters the most. You think they want mommy time when they 18, 17, 16? No, they don't. Especially if you ain't been giving their mommy time. They done filled in that time with something else. So spending that time with them at these ages, regardless, because I don't remember nothing when I was 2, 3, a few months old, but it doesn't matter. You cannot erase a bond. You cannot erase a chemistry. You can't take away that time. You can't take back that time, especially when you lost it. Nah.
Always love him, always think about him, and I know it's hard, you know what I'm saying, to go back from one parent to another all the time. And as a kid, that got to be like, I don't know, because he'd be pretty happy, but as a kid, it got to be confusing for him, you know? But,
The fact that she even takes that into consideration, like, Queen is dope.
as long as he loved by the both of us, that's all that really matters. Just want to show my baby I miss him. So I will see y'all as soon as I get to CJ. This little egg roll will be reunited
Egg roll.
as the Gummy Brothers. So
Gummy
Legend.
Legend.
Legend. Got into our hotel room.
Oh
And we're
my.
going to show you everything in here. It's a nice hotel. What?
Legend.
So this is like when you walk in, got a little bar and stuff. It's cute. And
Yes, hotel.
bathroom
Ooh,
shower
yes,
is
shower. Or there's a hotel, house, a trailer home, a little anything. The shower and the kitchen always sell me. Always. I gotta have a nice shower. A bitch gotta take a bath. It ain't nothing like take a nice bubble bath.
Mirror nice.
Yes, mirror.
I got a king bed, you guys, because
Ooh, that picture.
my babies will be sleeping with me. Hello, okay. It's a nice big TV, nice mirror.
I love that outfit.
Look it.
Queen
You can't wait to
so
see your
thick.
brother. You want to see your brother? You want to see your brother, Mutu?
Oh my
You want to see your brother? Okay.
god.
We're gonna see your brother, okay? And then we all gonna take a picture together. All three of us, okay? Okay? Good stuff. So while we wait on CJ, we're about to go into the gallery of you know what? Honestly, it's looking like it's not that.
Packed.
Ooh, already.
Ooh,
Since we got
ooh.
out. Lord.
We
So
had
I'm
about
waiting
3
for
boxes.
CJ, I got me some. Y'all know when I come to Texas, right? I already had in mind to get crawfish, but I got this Cajun seafood.
That look
fries.
good.
I got some hush puppies, some fries, and it's so good. And some shrimp. Chow.
That thing look good.
Well, I tell you, so good.
You say hi.
Hi. Miss you.
Much because you gotta say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
What we doing today? Tell them.
We get go bowling Chuck E. Cheese.
Yes,
Go
Chuck E.
bowling?
Cheese.
Yeah, and Chuck E.
Ooh, I love bowling. I freaking love bowling. Ask about me.
And Chuck E. Cheese.
In a jumpy place.
And a
Jumpy
No,
play.
that's it.
That's it? Okay, we're gonna go get an outfit first, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let's go. We need some cute stuff, CJ. You need some?
What's that up there, that mommy?
I'm good. I'ma just find him some.
Mommy, that's big eye.
Yeah, that's too big.
He is getting
So here, come on, let's come over here to your side.
and grown.
Ooh. You wanna pick an outfit out?
Yeah. Hey, gentlemen.
He's like, look at my brother. He is so happy to see CJ. The way they're touchy right now is so adorable. I cannot wait to have kids. I cannot wait.
You miss your brother?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh,
Aww. an oatmeal raisin cookie, you know what I'm saying? I'll go for a chocolate chip. But oh, you cannot lose with an oatmeal raisin cookie.
Chocolate.
M&M, do you guys have apple juice here? They don't have apple juice, but they have a Gatorade. You want a Gatorade?
Yeah.
Renzo is currently about to cry because he ran out of his second bottle.
Hungry.
Can't nobody tell me nothing. They can't tell me nothing.
Look at that M&M. Okay.
Riding on a tractor. Baby, you can even ask.
Hey. He gonna be a better rapper than his daddy.
My life is a movie. I'm riding in movies. You ready to go to Chuck E. Cheese?
Mm-hmm.
You excited?
Yeah.
I'm glad, Stink.
He's so freaking happy. You better get that thing.
What,
Ow.
you want to go see Chucky?
Yeah.
You and Renzo both want to see Chucky. Renzo wanted me to hold him, so look how Renzo looking. Look how Renzo look.
He looks
You not
full.
gonna laugh with us, Renzo? You want to see Chucky too, Renzo?
Yeah.
You want to see Chucky?
Yeah.
He's so serious.
Yeah.
So funny. I'm dead.
Mommy, he's so funny, Mommy.
So what you about to do inside Chuck E. Cheese?
I want to.
Look at Legend.
Remember when you was
Yo, Legend get the best rides. Car seat, arms, breast, hip, lap, the best comfort.
when you turned 3 and I took you to Chuck E. Cheese, you ran and you was crying. Open the door for Mama. Thank you.
There you go.
Strong boy. Push it, push it, push it, push
There
it.
you go.
Yay! Thank you. You ready to play? You want to go see Chucky? With some coins, okay?
Okay, see Chucky.
You want to get in the car?
Yeah, I want to get the car.
Okay, we gotta get this stuff first, okay? What you doing, CJ? You want to drive
He
somewhere?
is gone
You want me to
everywhere.
get in the car?
Yeah.
Can I get in? What's a bumpy ride?
Oh. Let's go on the slide now.
Bye, CJ. At one of my birthday parties, I was in pre-K or kindergarten. I'm not sure. But I had Blue's Clues come to my birthday party. It was so freaking dope. Blue icing everywhere.
Stump your feet, CJ. Hit the floor.
Okay.
Hit the wall.
Hit the wall, CJ.
That was his whoa. I thought Legend was in the car seat doing the dance. Poor baby is tired. But I thought he was in the car seat clapping his hands.
Renzo not with it.
Oh, yes, he is.
Okay? When y'all done dancing.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, what kind of game is that? That looked fun. I haven't been to Chuck E. Cheese in years. What kind of game is that? I like those games. Get it, Legend. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Ah! He's such a happy baby. Aww. Yes, CJ with the food. Aww.
Yeah, like that. Hurry. No, other way. Other way. This way. Stay right there. Smile. Stay right there. Smile.
What you gotta say about
He
that?
tried.
You like it? Y'all, literally nobody is in here, which makes it amazing. Because we have the whole place. It's like we rented it out.
That's
hey,
lit.
Baby boy. Hi, Muta. Hi, baby. I love you, Muta. Yes, I do. I wonder where CJ is.
He
I
hiding?
don't see him. I wonder where he went.
Oh, he in there.
What's this little hole down here?
Oh, that's lit.
Hey! Why you hiding from me?
Cause he don't want to leave.
What you doing over here?
Hiding.
Why you hiding from me?
Because I'm playing hide and seek.
We playing hide and seek. We just
Mommy, what is this, Mommy?
that's the thing. Oh no, the camera's gonna die. Oh man.
Oh, me.
So you guys, my camera died, so I'm recording off my phone. But right now we are at Jumping World. CJ's over there jumping around.
Then my phone died. Damn.
So you guys, we're back at the hotel room. As y'all can see, I'm very tired. And sleeping. CJ's watching. CJ,
Back to the hotel.
hold on, okay, baby, because we're going to sleep.
Wait, are we at the studio?
Going to the hotel. Did you have fun today?
Yeah. I have fun at the
Good morning, you guys. So I'm actually about to end this vlog in the morning.
Look at CJ
last night
hair.
I went to sleep and everything like that. My camera's about to die and I didn't bring the extra battery, so I'm trying to talk fast. But CJ,
Is Legend watching TV too? CJ watching TV on the phone. Legend watching TV on the laptop. Yes, mommy mode.
hey baby.
Hey, Mommy.
So unfortunately the camera died again right there, but we ended up going to Dave & Buster's for bowling / arcade. We had fun. Look out for more videos. I definitely enjoyed this vlog. That was a lit ass vlog. And I cannot wait to meet all of you guys, all of our family, all of our supporters at Dave & Buster's on Sunday from 12 to 2. Make sure you pull up. I will be there, you guys, and I also will be at the day party on Sunday from 4 to 9. I love you guys so freaking much. For more videos like this, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Like this video, comment down below, share this video, follow me on my social media, and click all blue links down below in my description box. Have a great night. Have a blessed weekend. Be safe until the next video. I'm signing out. Peace.
Yo, who am I? I go by J. I ain't on no savage shit. Free JT, I am that bitch, but I am not your bitch. I still pop my lips, still snap